Alright, today we're gonna be drawing Harold. So first of all you'll need a piece of paper and a pencil, of course. So let's start off. I always start off my no, don't do that, but I always start off my characters with this. Like that. Like a little crescent, but not full on crescent. Like that. Then I start doing this, like a little downwards crescent. Then do a little swirl like that. Goes like a hill going down and it goes up. Then Looney Tune characters usually had that on their mouths, but that's just a little cheap thing. You don't have to add it, but that's what I do. Then you go up here, circle around up here, and then you got the beak. You can add little details if you want, but I'm just gonna add a little thing there. Anyways, let's start with the eyes. Just basically like a circle. Little his pupils. Alright, now here's his feathers. Now we're gonna do little shark fins up there. Go up here. Little shark fins for his top. And then you got his face. Now draw his body. Now you add those two little lines there. The shark fins down there. Don't do that. Sorry, that was just my mistake. Anyway, you do a little Z or A, whatever you want to call it, down there. Add a little his fingers there. Do the same on this side. And there you go. Then you can color it if you want. And that's how you make Harold. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And make sure you subscribe to my secondary channel, the Primestone Collection.